Guys, we have a new Brixton Forge wheel set that just came in. I have no idea what this is for. All I know is that's for a Lamborghini Huracan, according to this sticker. By the way, Brixton, I think, makes the coolest boxes, or at least they put the most amount of effort in their boxes. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, okay, never mind, we have saw. Dang, that's a really nice freaking saw. Oh, different. I like it. Nice. Wow, we haven't done a brushed aluminum wheel in a very long time, but I like it. This is a cool change. So this is a PF1 wheel from Brixton Forge. This is a completely 100% fully custom made wheel. This is a monoblock wheel, as you guys can see. So just one big block of aluminum that was shaved down to make this wheel. Really cool spoke design. It's like a directional style. Really unique, but at the same time, it's still essentially a 5-spoke wheel. And because of that, it's very open. So it's still pretty lightweight, I would expect, especially with these cutouts here in the middle, just to kind of get rid of some of the weight, but then it also acts like as a design piece to it. Multifunctional, I guess you can say. I love how the edge of the center cap matches the finish of the wheel, and then of course black and white Brixton logo. Really clean. I've never seen this before on any other Forge wheel, but the sticker, it tells you the runouts of the inner and the outer. What they do is they measure the wheel before they send it out, just to make sure that it surpasses their standards of quality. Overall, really cool looking wheel from Brixton Forge.